The e-filing optional module allows you to prepare forms on eIMMIGRATION and have those forms transferred directly into the government websites that allows you to electronically file forms. Forms like the DS-160, the DS-260, and pretty much all the forms for My USCIS, ETA 9089, and iCert H-1B. You will come into eIMMIGRATION and prepare the form using our tools to auto-populate information. Once prepared, you will want to schedule the form. And once scheduled, it sends it to something that's called our e-filing application, which is a Google Chrome extension. This Google Chrome extension works both on PC and Mac computers, and when selecting the form, will take you into the government website to be able to electronically file the form. Once inside the government website's form and ready to enter this information, you can click on the Populate Data button on the Chrome extension, and the information you had on eIMMIGRATION starts to port over. With this, it makes it easier. Instead of having to type the information over onto the government website, have the software help you transfer the information that you already have on the immigration forms inside eIMMIGRATION.